I see people asking if they can make money with Adsterra banner ads. Well, here is a movie website with Adsterra banner ads and native ads display on it. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can also make money with this ads on your movie website. So make sure to watch this video till the end and also like the video. All right, so here is my Adsterra dashboard. There you can see my current earnings, and I will also show you my website statistics. There you can see how much traffic I have currently before I show you how you can get a profitable traffic to your website. So keep watching. You can see the current amount of traffic the website has received, right? And almost 0 CPM and 0 earnings. Okay, now I will show you how to get profitable traffic to your movie website so you can start earning from the banner and native ads on your website. Here is the website I will be using to send traffic to my movie website, so make sure you watch closely and follow the method on the screen. All right, so as you can see, my earnings has increased, which means the traffic is already coming in. Now I will show you the traffic statistics and current CPM, so keep watching. The day I start the traffic, my CPM was a bit low. Then the next day, Adsterra increased my CPM from 0.195 to 0.810, and it will keep increasing daily. That's my movie website right there, so you don't say it's all trick. I had to blur it for safety purpose. I will give you a tips for free. If you're running this traffic for banner ads, make sure to also redirect a page from the website to Adsterra direct link. This way, Adsterra might increase your CPM. All right, so this is the end of the video. Please make sure to subscribe.